Okay, y'all know what time it is. It is this week's Anti-Weeb Fashion update. So any anime merch that you're looking for, news, yada yada, I'm your girl to find that. Also, Happy New Year's. Let's just jump straight into it. All right, okay? Okay, so one major drop that happened that I'm super excited about was Dragon Ball and Freezer. They did like one of these signature Dragon Ball Z jackets, and one thing that I really liked about this jacket is that it also came in the sizes for children. So if you have a child and you always wanted to have like a matching anime jacket with them, you just, you know, I want this so bad. It's on pre-order, but I have bad news. The pre-orders sold out. How did pre-orders sold out? They had a limited quality of pre-orders, and I think they didn't expect so many people to want this item, and almost sold out immediately. But you can see all the stuff here. This is Breeze Fashion. So Breeze Fashion. Unfortunately, on the Clock app, I can't really show you guys what it looks like because they think I'll be directing you guys to another site. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, you'll just have to go to the other places. I know, it's so annoying. But isn't it so cute that you can match your son or your daughter? I'm obsessed. I wish that I had a kid just so I can have this. I was thinking about trying to buy this jacket for my nephew, but he's not even old enough. Well, I'm gonna try and get it. We'll see what happens. But thank you. Yes, but take a look at this jacket. Oh my goodness, y'all are saying crazy stuff. But they also came out with other items. Just the jacket was kind of going viral on Twitter. But they have 4 pieces from the collection, which was nice. But I don't think we should really highlight those other pieces because honestly, we're just here for the jacket. Nothing else truly, the jacket. But I'll show you guys the other items as well. They came out with like a sweatshirt, and then also like a t-shirt long sleeve situation. Aren't these cute? You can match it with your kid. Okay, so that was the first item that is kind of with the news. I would say sign up for the update so you can be aware of what's going on. But one of my favorite brands that also dropped, Fullmetal Alchemist, which everybody knows that I just finished Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood like a couple weeks ago. Obsessed, definitely in my top 5 favorite anime. And X-Rays is dropping a collab with Fullmetal Alchemist. Oh my goodness. What's going on? Thank you so much for the follow. Sauce. Y'all just gave me a heart attack. That sound alert is crazy. What's up, BP? But this collection, I believe, has like about, what is it, 27? Yeah, 27 pieces in the Fullmetal Alchemist X-Rage collection. Wow. One of my favorite items is the owl-inspired jacket. But we're just gonna look at all the pieces because there's so many amazing pieces. So if you like Fullmetal Alchemist, definitely check out X-Rage. They're doing this drop on the 7th, and I think it's at 6 p.m. I'll convert the time because this is a Japanese brand. So I'm pretty sure it'll be the 25th for us. I mean, not the 25th. It'll be the 6th for, or the 5th for us, sorry. It'll be the 5th for us, and I think at 6 p.m., but I'll put the confirmed times. But y'all can just go on the website and sign up for the newsletter so y'all could know when it's happening. But the owl jacket is what I'm super excited about. Oh, everybody that's on the Clock app, if you want to see what I'm talking about, you can either go to the Tube or the Purple app. They're all in the you know, on my profile. If you're curious about what I'm talking about, I'm just talking about all the merch updates that are happening. And thank you everybody for the follows and liking the live. I appreciate you. And everybody over on Purple, I love y'all too. I know I don't be over here for real because I don't really like this app, but I love y'all. Oh my goodness. But look at this owl jacket. I need this jacket. Oh my God. And one of the things I really liked about this jacket was they have the panda. They have the panda. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness. Obsessed. Like you get the panda with the jacket. That's one thing I love about X-Rage is they like give you something extra all the time. Like, so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm so obsessed with X-Rage. I think they're gonna be one of my favorite brands, like up there with Delinquents Truly. But yeah, they have Ed's signature jacket. Not too much. We got the stuff for the Mustang fans. Or I guess this is just like if you're an alchemist, a state alchemist, the jacket. I'm not sure. I think the gloves might be separate. This is so nice. I'm so excited for this. Where else am I? On the Clock on the clock app and on the tube. But yeah, my favorite pieces is the owl jacket. Is this Pride? I think this is Pride, right? The kid. I love how you unzip it and you can see, oh, this isn't Pride. This is isn't this the, when you see everything in the portal? What is that called? I just watched this. It's so bad. The way I retain information is poor. But that jacket was pretty cool, how you can unzip it and you can see the eye. One thing that I do like about this collection is it's not just clothing. It also has jewelry and home decor. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for a follow. Y'all are giving me a heart attack over here. Can you help me find Kakashi style vest in any color, please? Anime Gear Guru. They have exact replica. You're welcome. I hope you're still here. And they also have this owl necklace. In the State Alchemist necklace. Y'all, get this collection right now. Well, it didn't come out yet, but okay, so the jacket is my favorite, and then I also like the gloves, of course. And then they also have this. You could pour your tea out in this. Isn't that so smart? Or I think it's for your soy sauce, but you could put anything in there, okay? That's so smart. This is so cool. I'm obsessed with this. I need this. Like, this is such a subtle flex. Get this. What's my favorite anime? I like Fullmetal Alchemist, Soul Eater, Cowboy Bebop, Berserk. I have too many favorites. Tokyo Ghoul. Yeah, but that's X-Rage and Fullmetal Alchemist. It will be dropping January 7th at 1800 Japanese time. You guys can put that on your bookmarks. You're welcome. You're welcome. Next favorite one in Tokyo Ghoul. Did a collection. I also love Tokyo Ghoul. I feel like I always have my Tokyo Ghoul necklace on. I don't have it on today, unfortunately. Sword Art Online is good. It just got kind of weird, but I'm not judging you. I mean, I liked Sword Art Online until it got weird, you know? Okay, for this collection, I only have like 4 items. So this is also a Japanese brand. You do, instead of like X-Rage, you don't need like a third-party buyer, but you need a third-party buyer for this one. I honestly just like a couple pieces. The hoodie isn't my favorite because I feel like I already have a Tokyo Ghoul hoodie and the quality on there is immaculate, and I don't think this one is meeting that one's standards. I'm talking about anime merch updates. So all the anime merch that's dropping. You can't see it on the clock app, so you have to go on another app, any other app, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. I can't show it on here because I'll get in trouble. But I do like this cardigan and I do like the jacket that we seen there. I feel like there wasn't that many updates for this week, but obsessed with this cardigan. Okay, let me see. And then the last kind of update I have for you guys is Levi's birthday was on the 25th of December. He's a Capricorn, and 2Fave did a ring for our boy Levi. It's like nothing too crazy. It's just something really light. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. It's literally so like nothing crazy. But this is the same brand that did the Demon Slayer inspired rings. So I would say definitely go check it out. You can pre-order it. I don't know when pre-orders close. They didn't give a date for when pre-orders close. They probably have a certain quantity that they have to like get. So yeah, if you're interested in that. What's the tube? It's the same as my name, my username for the tubey. But also, Mr. SFC is doing a sale. So if you like anime inspired rings, I would say go check them out. They're 26% off right now. Some of the rings that I would recommend if you are interested in getting one is I definitely recommend getting the Jiraiya ring if it's not sold out yet. It was on there last time I checked. This sale does end today though, so if you want to get a ring that is 26% off, you have to get it today. Yeah, I would say get the Jiraiya ring or any of the Yu-Gi-Oh rings. Did he take the direct connection off? Hold on, let me link it because I already linked it. I'm glad I link everything because a lot of times I'll go back and check and then it won't be there. YouTube says waiting. No, we're live on YouTube. It says excellent God tier quality over there. I don't think I'm ever gonna do this again. I'm overstimulated. I think this is the last time I'm ever gonna do this. I try, guys. So overstimulated. Perhaps the best? You think so? They all look different, so I can't really tell. Okay, so what were we talking about? We were talking about the anime inspired rings. He really took the thing off. There was a direct connection to just the rings and he moved it. But I would say the Jiraiya, the Pervy Sage ring. Am I going slow? I feel like my internet's really slow right now. It's only, the discount's only for the rings though. So this one, I think this one is worth it. The Jiraiya one is pretty cool. This is whatever, you know? Then any of the Yu-Gi-Oh ones I think would be fire. Also, if you like Dragon Ball Z, I have the Majin ring. That one's on there too, this one. But I feel like that one's just like pretty regular, but it's on sale. So if you want it, I have the gold one. Yeah, I heard of Daiga. They're pretty cool. They're well known in the community. But yeah, that's the sales. But that's pretty much all the updates, y'all. I know there's not a lot of updates this week. We just got the Dragon Ball bomber jacket, right? We got this bomber jacket. There's other stuff from the collection, but I feel like the bomber jacket was the most prominent. I feel like the highlight of the week is the X-Rage collab. There is a collab. There's like a Chinese brand that I didn't cover that did a JJK collaboration, but you do need to order through like Taobao or a third-party shipping site. Another creator covered it, Phil's Collectibles. I feel like you gotta just go look at his. I was gonna cover it, but I just found it too late. But I feel like X-Rage this week is definitely the highlight of the week with their Fullmetal Alchemist collaboration. I definitely am gonna get the owl jacket, and I want the Humoculus little soy sauce container. I think it's the best. You gave your email to be notified they ever restock. Oh yeah, I put my email in too. I can't believe the pre-order sold out. That doesn't even make any sense. The pre-order selling out is crazy. I think they didn't anticipate so many people to order it. I feel like it was more popular than they anticipated because of they also had the kid size. Like everyone's buying this for them and their kid. I feel like if you're a dad, you're probably like, oh my goodness, I watched Dragon Ball. I want to get this for me and my son. I want to get this for me and my daughter, but I don't have a kid. Somebody have a kid so I could be their aunt, so I can give them this jacket. This is so cute. And the jacket actually looks really well made. When I first saw this jacket, I thought it was the jacket from the cover of Dragon Ball Z, the first issue, the one that Goku's wearing, but it's not. I wanted to go check. I was gonna get so excited because I really want a carbon copy of that jacket. But yeah, that and X-Rage. But yeah, y'all, thanks for checking in. And then if y'all want to do more updates like this, I'm gonna try and go live weekly for the updates. This one was a little stressful for me, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna stay live a little bit on the Clock app, but I'm leaving the other ones. I'm not even supposed to be on the Purple app, y'all. I don't even know how I got over here. All right, I'll stay on the Purple app, but I wasn't supposed to be here. But what was the drop? The drop was X-Rage, not X-Ray. But if you want the link to all of these, it's all in my bio. So you just go to my newsletter. Just kidding, not my letter, TikTok. But yeah, all of it's there. Also, if you're in the Bay Area, I'm hosting an event on the 24th where we're gonna cosplay and go to the manga museum on the cosplay day. It's the last day that the manga museum will have all the manga pieces. Like they have exclusive like One Piece art and stuff like that. So, oh my goodness. Sauce, thank you so much for the gifted subs. Oh no, now I have to come back over here. I'll be there in spirit. Thank you, Katie. I'm crying. Y'all are really trying to bully me over here. But I gotta do my closeout for YouTube, okay? I gotta do my closeout for YouTube. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Tune in next week for if you want some anime merch updates. All right, where's my thing to end the YouTube?